consecrate your life to Him, and your faithful service free, to be ever His alone, to the King upon the throne. Dedicate your life, your choice won't go wrong. I will, yes I will. I will, yes I will. I will, by grace, Lord. I will heed to the cross, for that promise is for me, yeah. I will. Have you heard about our Savior's love? When He died, He shed His precious blood, full of mercy, rich and free. He did it just for you and me, and there's a crown waiting for me too.